Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Windows scaling issues for high dots per inch or DPI devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and select that. Select the Ease of Access tile, and then select Display on the left side. On the right panel here, you want to go ahead and adjust your display settings depending on how you want the monitor to read. And you can also go ahead and select where it says change the size of apps and text on other displays. And again, you could set your size of text as well as the display resolution here too. It's a pretty straightforward process, and you can revert the settings if you want to go back to how it was. Again, you can see that we changed the size to 125%. But again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.